wanna do what you like. I wanna do what you like. My only reason for breathing is Jesus, Lord. I wanna do what you like.
What's up, fam? Are you looking for an easy meal prep idea? Well, if so, keep on watching this video. So here I'm making my Southwestern chicken salad. So I'm seasoning my chicken. I bought the chicken pre-cooked from Tyson. I'm just warming it up and putting my favorite seasonings on my chicken. While my chicken's cooking, I go ahead and prepare my salad. So I dump in my lettuce. This lettuce came with tomatoes, and I love cheese, guys. So I'm gonna add my cheese in there. So here I'm adding in some Mexican style cheese as well. Here's another bag of lettuce. I like to mix and match my lettuces. There's my husband. Hey. And yeah, there's more cheese, Parmesan cheese. Next, I like to rinse my corn off. I don't cook my corn because corn is already pre-cooked as well. And I like to rinse off any nasty germs or I don't know, any nastiness. Here's my black beans. I do the same thing with my black beans. I rinse them under running water and get all that nastiness off of them. Once I have strained all the water off of them, I go ahead and dump it in my salad. Hurry up, girl. Oh, there we go. There we go. Doesn't it look so yummy and colorful? I can eat it right now. Next, I go ahead and dump in my chicken while it's still hot and has a flavor on it. And then I put the Salad Supreme on there. Salad Supreme makes any salad taste 10 times better. Next, you want to give your salad a big shake, 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 shake. After I shake my salad up, I go ahead and make my salad dressing. I mix salsa and I get the medium. And I mix it with ranch. This gives your salad the best taste ever. So I put my salad in mason jars, and my mason jars came from Walmart. They were about $6 for 6 of them or something like that. But I put my salad in mason jars on Sunday night, and on Friday my salad is still fresh. So I would suggest getting mason jars and not plastic containers because it really keeps your salad fresh all week long. And these mason jars are the perfect amount of salad, and it fills me up. It's so filling, guys. So if you're worried about staying full, no, it's enough salad in these mason jars to keep you full throughout the day. So Naked Juice is perfect for when I'm feeling a little hungry or a little munchy and I want to grab a bag of chips or some Oreos. I just go in my mini fridge in my classroom and grab one of these mason jars filled with Naked Juice. Buying the big container of Naked Juice will save you a ton of money. So I was spending $4 a day on Naked Juice. So weekly, that's about $20, $22 a week. So this big container was about $7 or $8. So I'm saving myself $12, $13 a week and filling my own mason jars with Naked Juice. So this week what I'm bringing to school is Naked Juice salad, grapes, and a Kind bar. This keeps me full all day. Sometimes I don't even get to the Kind bar or the grapes or something because I'm still full from my Naked Juice and salad. So I noticed I packed my lunch and did not have salad dressing inside of my lunchbox. That would have been so disappointing to get to school with no salad dressing. Ugh. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Thumbs up and subscribe. Also, let me know if you create this lunch idea. Bye.
Something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work.